because it's been a fantastic journey for us, because from the day one. I requested for the quotation and then they visited the site and all. It was very smoothly, it has happened, and on time it was, I would say, and more than the expectation. They have delivered all the interiors and the support what they shown us during our requirements. It was fantastic for us. So it is a fantastic journey, and they completed in 4 weeks, which is a good thing, and very fast work. And yes, that's good.
ಹಾಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇನೇ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ